Hey everyone! In this video, we will make our second project on Tinkercad, in which we will practice the same project that we have done before in the variables video. Now in that project, we have used three LEDs named as Amy, Ron and LED 1. We have first made them glow and then one by one we have turned them off. So we will make the same project here by using simulation. So for that, go to the Tinkercad dashboard and then again in circuits, click on create new circuit. Now here we will first need an Arduino, then a breadboard, and then we need to connect these three LEDs on pin number 3, 4 and 5 using these resistors and these wires. So let's begin with the Arduino. So search for Arduino here and there we go with the Arduino Uno R3. Take that one here and rotate it according to our circuit diagram, just like this one. Now after this one, we will take the breadboard. So search for a breadboard here and take the breadboard mini. There we go with this one. And now rotate this one also. There we go. Now let me put it a little more close to the Arduino. Now after this one, let's search for the LEDs and take three LEDs. 1, 2 and 3. There we go. Now just rotate them also. There we have first one, second one and the third one. And then insert them on the breadboard. There we go with the second one and there we have the third one. There we go. Now after this one, let's take the resistors so that we can protect our LEDs. So here we have the resistors. Just take three resistors. There we go. And rotate them also. Here we have the first one, then the second one, and then the third one. Now insert them on the positive terminal of our LED in this vertical lane, in this vertical lane, and in this vertical lane, in which we have the positive terminal of our LEDs. Now after this one, let's change the color of these LEDs to green as we have in our circuit diagram. So just click on them and change the color from red to green. So here we have the second one and then we have the third one. There we go. Now after this one, let's connect all of these. So first let's make the ground common. So here we have the first one. So just connect a wire from this lane into this lane. We are going to make this lane as a ground pin reference. Now after this one, here we have the negative terminal of second LED. So just take this one in the same vertical lane. Now here we have the negative terminal of our third LED. So stretch it here up to this vertical lane. Now here we have the ground reference in this vertical lane. So just connect this one to the ground pin on Arduino and change the color from green to black. There we go. So here we have the ground connections done for all of these three LEDs. Now after this one, connect the first LED on pin number 3, second on 4 and third on 5. So for the first one, take a wire from this vertical lane from any of these ports and then stretch it up to pin number 3. There we go. And change the color from black to red. Then here we have the second LED. Take this one here and here we have the third LED. So just take that one on pin number 5. There we go. So here we have the connections according to our circuit diagram. However, they are not so clean, but we can work with them. Now after this one, let's write the code. So for that, just click on code here and change it from blocks to text. click on continue, and there we go. Now here you will get a by default code, and again we need to change this one. So first we have to declare all of these 3 pins. So first here we have int me equal to 3, and then a statement terminator. Similarly, we have int ron equal to 4, a statement terminator, and then in last we have int led1 equal to 5, and then a statement terminator, and there we go with declaring the pins. So at this point we have declared all of these 3 pins with these LEDs. Now after this one we will move to void setup, in which we will set all of these 3 pins to output mode. So here we have first one, pin mode. Change this one from LED built into ME. There we go. Then we have the output, and we don't need to change this one. Now after this one we will do the same for RON and LED1. So just copy this pin mode and paste that one here and here, and change it from ME to RON and LED1, so that we can save some time. Now we are done with setting up these pins to output mode, and then we will move to our main code, in which first we have to make all these 3 LED glow, and then one by one after a half-second delay we will turn them off. So first let's make all of these turn on. So here we have digital write, and then we have ME comma high. So we have turned ME on, and we will again use the same command, digital write, for RON, and I hope you are getting what I'm doing here. Just turning all of these on by using the digital write command, because they are connected on digital pins. Now after this one again use digital write for LED1. There we go. Now at this point all of our LEDs are glowing. Now we have to turn them off after a half-second delay. So first we will turn ME off, and we will take a half-second delay here, so 500 milliseconds. And again let me remove these comments from here. There we go with this one. So what we will do here, we will write a low on ME. So change this LED built into ME first, and then a low. So at this point ME is turned off, but RON and LED1 are still glowing. Then we will take a half-second delay again. So just delay and 500. Now after this one we will turn RON off. So copy the whole command here, digital write and delay, and paste that one here. And here we have from ME to RON. There we go. So at this point we have also turned RON off, and ME is already turned off. Only LED1 is glowing. And then after this half-second delay we will turn LED1 off. So again we will use the digital write command and turn LED1 off. So at this point, up to this low command here, all of these 3 LEDs are turned off. Then we will take a half-second delay again, so that they remain turned off for half a second. Otherwise the void loop will again turn them on without any delay. So this is our code that we will need for this project, and I hope you have also updated the code. Now after this one, let's start this simulation. So just remove the code block from here and click on start simulation. So it will initialize, and there we go. So as you can see here, first our LEDs are turning on, and then one by one they are turning off. Like here first we have the ME turned off, then the RON, and then LED1. So we have the same results just like our variables project with the real hardware. So this project is just for a little more practice on Tinkercad, and I hope you got the same results. And if you want, you can make some changes here. Like you can turn the color of these LEDs red, blue, or any different color you want to. Like first let me stop the simulation, because until then you can't edit the components here, and change the color from green to orange, and this one to blue. And now start the simulation, and you will get something like this one, in which we have first the green turning off, then the orange, and then the blue. So you can play more with these components. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.